And here I am with my good friend, the cheetah. They have slender bodies, long legs, a deep chest, and a flexible spine that acts like a spring. The cheetah is a remarkable, specialized big cat, best known as the fastest land animal on Earth. They hunt small to medium-sized ungulates, such as Thompson's gazelles, impalas, and springbok. Because they are small and tired after a chase, cheetahs often lose 10% to 50% of their kills to stronger predators like lions and hyenas. Most live in sub-Saharan Africa, particularly in Namibia, Botswana, and Kenya. Do you see that? Right there. I see it.
I see it.
Let's move in. All right, easy now. Get the one on the right. Keep up, keep steady. Isn't this view just amazing? It's incredible. I'm so glad we came.